you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are configured correctly. Go to the Game's Options menu, navigate to the audio settings, and verify that voice chat is enabled and set to the correct input and output devices. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer to apply the changes. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including voice chat problems. Use the game launcher, Steam, GOG, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block voice chat functionality. Ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through your firewall and that your antivirus is not interfering with the game. You may need to add exceptions for the game in these programs. Step 5. Restart your system. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting your computer. This can help clear any temporary glitches or conflicts that may be affecting the voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the voice chat issues in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support for further assistance.